First, clean up the debris of the steel slag ball pressing machine before starting. Fix the bolts. Check whether the various bolts of the whole machine are loose and fall off, and remove the load before allowing the steel slag ball pressing machine to start. Second, when testing the steel slag ball press machine, first use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation. If there is no other noise, it can be started when the operation is normal. Third, when feeding the steel slag ball press, the electric feeder should be ensured to feed evenly and according to the situation of the warehouse pressure, to adjust the electric feeder to the best effect. 4. After the end of each shift, should be the steel slag press bin material all used up, shall not leave raw materials. To avoid starting with load, and finally normal parking or emergency arcing, the opposite of the driving order,